Hi, I'm Tom Fawcett, Senior Vice President and General Manager of the Lab and Production Business Unit for Viavi Solutions. As current market headwinds impact our industry, Viavi continues to develop solutions that help you to innovate and quickly bring your newest technologies to scale. Viavi tools support the entire development ecosystem, from earliest silicon through modules and systems, all the way through to high-volume production. We simplify high-speed testing complexities with faster, more dense solutions and improved power efficiency. We continue to make significant investments ahead of the technology curve so we can provide you with the most advanced development and validation tools long before the industry begins shipping. Even as times are tough, we know that market leaders will continue to innovate. You aren't slowing down, and neither are we. For more information, please visit viavisolutions.com or contact your local Viavi sales representative.